little bit of a notch with our combo for the evening. So what we start off with was we took both hands, we would start going to our right. As we did that, we let go of our right, our left hand dropped into a doorknob. This begins to turn her wrist, catch. I step out with my left, and then I rotate my body, trapping her hand at her hip. I'm gonna turn you just a little bit. Again, trapping her hand at her hip. This allows her to stretch into it. Now from here, all I did was move from my hip, did a rotation, did a small rotation, let her settle back out, and that was that first level for the follows.
All right, so for the follows, and as he brings us through, we're stepping first with that left, going through with that right, settling through with that left, making sure that we feel that spring there as we settle back. He brings us through, we're gonna step through with that right, left, settle, right.
And notice, every time that we're apart from each other, we're shifting a little bit away. We're not forward to that wrong position. Now here, we can't reach, we need to get her into a dip. We're going to present that hand open. As she steps forward, we take that left hand with our right, we put our thumb down, we bring her together in what we call the country cuddle. Country cuddle is toe to toe, hip to hip, side to side. No room for Jesus, it's fine. We're gonna keep that way forward. Right toe goes back. I don't move her. Do you go anywhere?
I don't.
She does not. I turn and face her. Now I'm happy. Right in the middle of my chest from here, all my weight is on my left foot. I'm gonna do a right lunge. I am not doing this. I'm a little teapot. We're gonna stay here. And then I lunge. I'm gonna keep her shoulders flat. I'm gonna keep my shoulders flat. No moving the airplane. Once she's done, I can lift up, release that right arm, settle back, put her on my arm, take her on the dance floor, or ask her for another dance. So I'm really good at it. All right, for the follows on that side of things.
Okay, so for the follows, as he presents that hand, we're gonna grab it here. He'll bring us to the side. I wanna make sure that I wait for him to face up. I'm gonna style this dip with my right foot glued to the floor. My left foot can pop up as he lunges back. Pop up the inside leg, or if you'd like to straighten it out, that's fine too. Whatever feels comfortable for you.
Come out and set up.
There we go.
All right, guys, my name is Troy.
My name's Elise.
We're doing road dancing. Thank you guys so very much.